Welcome to Nia Imagination. Today I will teach you how to stitch this type of neck design with help of such lace. This first of all, take bukram, okay, fold it halfway. For example, you need 6 inches of width of your neck design, so I will take 3 inches, okay. So this is 3 inches plus half inches of margin. So at 3 inches I will mark like straight line, okay, and my length of neck design would be 5.5. So I will take half inches margin above and take 5.5, 5.5 and mark and take half inches margin at bottom. Now I need some shape like this, okay. So according to my shape I have marked my neck design and I will keep half inches of margin. Now I will cut it. This part is not required, this part is required. So this neck design is ready for me. Now take such extra cloth, okay, and keep this neck design on it with the help of this. If you keep this, then you can keep this neck design on it. If you have this pasting on one side, then you can iron it. If you don't have, then you can do rough stitch with the help of such thread and needle. Okay, I have already pasted, but I am just demonstrating to you how you can do rough stitch. I am doing rough stitch on it so that it will not go haywire when I am stitching it. Now I have done rough stitch on it. Now cut this after leaving half inches of margin from this side. Take front side of front panel or panel where you want to make this design. Mark half of this, like this is 14.5, I will mark 7.25. Okay, 14. Then keep it. Mark half of this neck. It is this. Now join these two lines. Take thread and needle and do rough stitch so that it will not rush. You can apply pins also, but I like to do rough stitch. I have done rough stitch on it. With the help of sewing machine, I will stitch on this point. Not on this cloth. Just where it joins. I will cut this after leaving small margin. Cut this neck from inside. I make small cuts over here. Make sure you will not cut your stitched area, your stitched part. Small cut will give perfect shape to your neck design. Now I will remove this rough stitch. After removing, I will turn this awl towards the back side. See, I have turned this and make a stitch. Adjust corners. This is a simple neck design, but we will decorate it with the help of lace. Simple neck design is ready. It's round, almost round from back side. What you will do is, you will turn it once towards the inner side and do turpai. For turpai, you can watch my video how to do turpai with the help of thread and needle and put thread into the needle. Now I have already done my turpai. Okay. Now take such lace and fold it almost half inches and keep it straight. Okay. To know to what extent you cut, you can roughly take the length of your neck and 1 inch is more than that. Otherwise, you can take what length you want to take. Okay. I am taking almost 7 inches, half inches for margin and cut this. Take center of this Total is 27 and 27's half is 13 and a half. I am making mark over here so that I will not go wrong. This is the front panel, front side. I will keep this at this center and from there I will keep this at center. Now I will do rough stitch with the help of thread and needle, so that it will not go haywire when I will stitch it. There is half inches of margin. I will fold it. See, after doing kacha, I am doing stitching with the help of this sewing machine. Take another lace according to your preference. Okay. See its front side of this lace. Keep it above. There is no need to fold it because we are going to fold it inside later on. Just sew it. When you are coming toward this point, turning point, you just make it a fold at every place so that it will become round from this side as well. See. When you are coming at this turning point, take this. When you are coming at this ending point, make such a triangle. Try to keep this one at straight. Okay. Then sew it. Again at this time you have to make a triangle. Like this. Turn it. Sew it. See, again you are coming at turning point. Fold it toward the other side. Here also you have to make such turns. Now your neck design is almost ready. Cut this extra lace. Now you have to stitch toward this side with the help of this sewing machine. To make this turned point clearly, just stitch this. Come straight now. Is this turning point? Stitch this as well. Go straight for a while. This is turning point. Stitch this point as well. then again go straight. This is the turning point. Turn it and again stitch it. With the help of these two laces is ready. Keep watching Nia Imagination for more videos and learn stitching in easiest way. Please subscribe Nia Imagination, thumbs up, and you can suggest me what else I can teach you at Nia Imagination. Thank you.